In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all events in Google Calendar. Whether you're starting fresh, cleaning up an old calendar, or just want to clear out everything at once, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process. Let's dive right in. We're going to focus on doing this through a web browser on your desktop. So first things first, you'll want to go ahead and open Google Calendar. You can do this by typing calendar.google.com into your web browser's address bar, or simply searching for Google Calendar if that's easier for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main calendar interface with all your events. Now look over to the left side under My Calendars. Here, you'll see a list of all the calendars you manage or have access to. Find the calendar from which you want to delete all events. Move your cursor over that specific calendar, but don't click on it just yet. As you hover over it, you'll see a vertical set of 3 dots appear. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu from which you'll select Settings and Sharing. This will redirect you to a new page dedicated to settings specific to this calendar. On this settings page, you'll want to scroll down until you find the section labeled Delete. It may take a bit of scrolling to locate it, but keep at it. This is an important, almost hidden step in the whole process. Now that you've found the Delete section, you will see an option to delete the calendar permanently. It's important to note that selecting this will erase all the events within the selected calendar. If you're certain you want to proceed, go ahead and click on Permanently Delete. After clicking, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This step is crucial as it ensures that deleting the calendar isn't done accidentally. So take a moment here to double check and confirm that you're okay with losing all the events in this calendar. And that's it. All the events within that calendar will be erased completely. Remember, this is a permanent action and cannot be undone, so be sure you truly want to clear everything out before you finalize the deletion. If you ever want to start fresh, you can always create a new calendar to keep things organized moving forward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy calendaring.